The following video depicts the installation of a typical pipe penetration flashing using MM6125 and FlexFlash UN. All pipe penetrations that are not cast into a concrete slab should be secured to the deck either within the holes or from underneath. No deck securement hardware that would impede the proper application of the membrane flashing materials should be present at the deck surface. All pipe penetrations, whether metal or PVC, should be clean and free of any surface contaminants or rust. Typically, a simple wire brushing and wiping down is all that is needed to clean and slightly abrade the pipe surface. A target sheet of FlexFlash UN should be cut so that it will extend at least 3 inches out onto the deck from the base of the pipe. A hole should be cut into the center of the target sheet of neoprene that is 1 inch less in diameter than the pipe itself. Surface conditioner should be sprayed on the surface of concrete decks at a very light application rate that will tan the surface of the deck and not blacken it. A rag dampened with surface conditioner can be used to wipe the surface of the pipe with a very light application. The surface conditioner on both the deck and pipe surfaces should be allowed to completely dry, which should take no more than about 15 minutes. Application of the detailing coat of MM6125 around the base of the pipe can be accomplished by roller, brush, or squeegee. Enough MM6125 should be applied to achieve a coat of at least 120 mils in thickness and to build up a fillet of material at the deck pipe interface. Make sure that the application of MM6125 extends far enough out from the base of the pipe so that the FlexFlash UN target piece is fully set in membrane. Once the detailing coat is applied, the target piece of FlexFlash UN is pushed down over the pipe and fully embedded into the MM6125. The hole cuts slightly smaller than the diameter of the pipe, and the fillet of MM6125 around the base of the pipe allows the FlexFlash UN to turn up the pipe slightly. Be sure that the FlexFlash UN is fully embedded into the fillet of membrane and the membrane applied out onto the deck. Any fish mouths and wrinkles should be smoothed out before continuing. MM6125 can be applied to the pipe by brush or roller and should be applied up the pipe high enough so that the vertical wrap of FlexFlash UN will be completely embedded in membrane. Apply enough MM6125 so that a detailing coat of at least 120 mils thickness is achieved. A vertical wrapping piece of FlexFlash UN should be cut so that the neoprene sheet wraps completely around the pipe with a lap of at least several inches, and that the termination of the detail extends a minimum of 8 inches up the pipe. The FlexFlash UN vertical wrap should be installed while the detailing coat of MM6125 is warm and aggressively tacky. Apply more MM6125 as you wrap the neoprene around the pipe to ensure that all the FlexFlash UN is embedded in membrane. A top coat of MM6125 should then be applied to completely encapsulate the target piece of FlexFlash UN in membrane. Finish off the pipe flashing by installing a band clamp and tightening it in place at the flashing's termination.